how to change the aspect ratio of a horizontal video in DaVinci Resolve 20. All right, so we want to do a vertical video, but how do we do it from a horizontal video? All right, let's first bring in our video. We're going to click on File, and we're going to import our media. So from here, we're going to pick our video that is horizontal, which is this one right here. We're going to open, and now you're going to see that it's inside of our media pool right here. All right, so let's bring it in a timeline. As you can see, we have it in our timeline, but it's horizontal and we want it to be vertical. All right, so how do we change that? In order to do that, we're going to go to File. We're going to go to Project Settings. Okay, and under Project Settings, we're simply going to choose Use Vertical Resolution. So we're going to check that, and we're going to hit Save. Now you can see that it's changed the aspect ratio. So now we're seeing ourselves horizontally, and if we hit play, you see that it's horizontal. All right, so next step is to export this out so we can save it as a vertical video now. So what we're going to do is we're going to go down to Deliver, which is down here. Okay, and as you can see, it's still horizontal. And we can see if we go here to resolution, it's still checked right here. And we're just going to add render to queue. And we're going to save it to a place that where we can find it. In my case, will be downloads. Okay, and we're ready to export this as a vertical video. So we're just going to do render all. Okay, we are done, and we can check our work. So we're going to go into the downloads, and we're going to find our video that we just see. We have it here on our timeline. We're just going to hit play. And now you can see that it's been rendered out as a vertical video. If we hit play, see, there it is. And we have it in a vertical format for TikTok or wherever you want to use. And that's how you change the aspect ratio of a horizontal video into a vertical video. DaVinci Resolve 20.